Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your one-stop platform for all things real estate and wealth creation. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of finance, offering valuable insights and strategies to help you get ahead. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, HouseLux Estate is dedicated to providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to make informed decisions. We believe in the power of real estate as a wealth-building tool, and we're passionate about helping you harness this potential. From property investment tips to market trends, we deliver content that is both insightful and engaging. We're here to help you unlock your financial freedom and create lasting wealth. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. So buckle up and join us on this exciting journey. In today's video, we will unveil the 10 ways to autopilot wealth creation. The first method to autopilot wealth creation is through real estate investment. Real estate, a tangible asset, has long been a stalwart of investment portfolios. It's not just about owning a fancy home or a swanky commercial property. It's about the potential for passive income and capital appreciation. Here's the thing. When you invest in real estate, you're essentially becoming a landlord. You buy a property, you rent it out, and voila, you've got a steady stream of income. But it's not just the rental income that's attractive. Over time, properties tend to appreciate in value. So, while you're earning rental income, your property is also likely growing in value. It's like having your cake and eating it too. And the best part, you don't necessarily have to be hands-on. With the right property management in place, you can sit back and watch your wealth grow. Real estate investment is a tried and tested method to autopilot wealth creation. Our second wealth creation method is investing in the stock market. Now, the stock market is like a vast ocean, filled with potential treasures. But it's not about jumping in blindly. It's about strategic moves and understanding the ebb and flow. Investing in stocks can lead to significant wealth creation over time. You see, it's not just about quick gains, it's about the power of compound interest, the magic that happens when your earnings generate even more earnings. Another key factor is diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket is not the smartest move. So, spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and companies. This way, you're not tied to the fate of a single entity. And remember, the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool for building wealth over time. It requires patience, research, and a level-headed approach. The stock market is a goldmine for those who know how to navigate it. The third way to autopilot wealth creation is by starting a side business. Imagine a venture that's all yours, something that supplements your income and grows at the pace you set. This isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about building an asset that, over time, could potentially outgrow your day job. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of a side business. It's flexible. You can put in as much or as little time as you want. It's customizable. You can build it around your skills, interests, and passions. It's scalable. As your business grows, so does your income. But let's not overlook the challenges. It requires commitment, creativity, and a willingness to take risks. However, the payoff can be enormous, not only in terms of financial gain, but also in personal satisfaction and independence. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your side business. But with patience, persistence, and the right strategy, a side business can be your ticket to financial freedom. Fourth on our list is peer-to-peer lending. This is a modern twist on an age-old practice of lending money. But instead of going through a traditional bank, you're directly lending to individuals or small businesses. Here's how it works. Platforms bring together people who want to lend money with those who want to borrow it. As a lender, you can choose who you lend to, and the interest rates can be attractive. Now, why is this a good wealth creation method? Well, the returns can be higher than traditional savings accounts, and you're also diversifying your investment portfolio. But remember, like any investment, there is a risk involved. Borrowers may default on their payments. Therefore, it's crucial to spread your investments across different borrowers. This way, if one borrower defaults, you don't lose all your money. Peer-to-peer lending is a lucrative way to grow your wealth. The fifth way to autopilot wealth creation is through automated trading. Now, automated trading is a method that uses advanced technology to buy and sell assets like stocks, futures, or currency. Think of it as a high-speed, data-driven approach to investing. These systems are designed to make trades based on preset rules and strategies, eliminating the need for constant monitoring of the markets. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, working tirelessly to grow your wealth. The benefits? Well, there are plenty. For starters, automated trading can help reduce the impact of emotions on your trading decisions. It also allows for backtesting, meaning you can test your strategy using historical data before risking any real money. Moreover, it's a time-efficient method that ensures you never miss a potentially profitable trade. And the best part is, you don't have to be a Wall Street expert to use these systems. Automated trading can be a game changer in your wealth creation journey. Sixth on our list is buying and holding cryptocurrencies. Over the past decade, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a significant player in the global financial market. Their potential for high returns makes them an exciting and lucrative option for wealth creation. The concept of buying and holding, often referred to as HODL in the crypto world, simply involves purchasing cryptocurrencies and holding onto them regardless of market fluctuations. This strategy is particularly effective due to the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies. Their value can skyrocket in a relatively short period, leading to substantial profits for those with the patience to wait out the market's ups and downs. Additionally, with more businesses and institutions accepting cryptocurrencies, their viability as a long-term investment continues to increase. As such, buying and holding cryptocurrencies can be a great method for those looking to grow their wealth. Cryptocurrencies are the future of finance and a potent wealth creation tool. The seventh way to autopilot wealth creation is through rental properties. Now, what are rental properties? They are properties that you own and rent out to tenants. This could be anything from an apartment, a house, to commercial spaces. The beauty of rental properties is that they can provide a steady stream of income. Consider this. Once you've made the initial investment in buying the property, and maybe some additional costs for renovations, your major work is done. From then on, you're looking at a consistent income every month. The rent you receive from your tenants can cover any mortgage payments and even leave you with a tidy profit. This method of wealth creation is particularly attractive because it's passive. You're not trading your time for money. Instead, your investment is working for you. With a well-managed property, you can sit back and watch your wealth grow. Rental properties can put your wealth creation on autopilot. Eighth on our list is affiliate marketing. Now, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's essentially a performance-based business where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the business. The business gets increased sales and brand exposure, and the affiliate gets a share of the profits without having to create their own product or deal with customer service. You might be wondering, why affiliate marketing? Well, it's a viable method for wealth creation because it can be done at a low cost, meaning you don't need to create a product or a service. Plus, it's flexible. You can work from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture if done right. The ninth way to autopilot wealth creation is by creating and selling online courses. Just think about it. You have a unique skill, a special knowledge, or a particular experience that others may find valuable. Why not package that into an online course? The beauty of online courses is that you create them once, but they can generate income for you over and over again. There's a vast audience out there, eager to learn and willing to pay for access to quality content. With the rise of remote learning and work-from-home culture, the potential of online courses as a wealth creation method has never been greater. Whether it's teaching a language, offering web development lessons, or even sharing your baking secrets, there's a market for everything. And with platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare, getting your course out there has never been easier. So transform your expertise into income and create a steady revenue stream. Online courses can be a lucrative business venture. Our final method for autopilot wealth creation is dropshipping. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's a business model where you, as the retailer, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the order is sent to a third-party supplier who then ships the item directly to the customer. In essence, you're acting as a middleman, connecting customers to the products they want without the need to manage inventory or handle shipping. This makes dropshipping a very cost-effective business model, requiring minimal upfront investment. But how does it contribute to wealth creation? Well, through proper marketing and customer acquisition strategies, you can sell products at a marked-up price, allowing you to pocket the difference. This can lead to substantial profits over time, especially if you tap into trending or niche markets. So you see, dropshipping is a low-risk, high-reward business model. It's an excellent path for those seeking to build wealth on autopilot. Let's quickly recap the 10 ways to autopilot wealth creation that we've discussed. First, we dove into the rewarding world of real estate investment. Then, we explored the stock market's potential for significant returns. We also talked about the benefits of starting a side business, a venture that can turn your passion into profit. Next, we discussed peer-to-peer lending and how it can provide a steady income stream. We also touched on the power of automated trading and the wonders of buying and holding cryptocurrencies. Rental properties also made the list, a classic yet effective strategy for wealth creation. We then touched on affiliate marketing, a low-risk, high-reward method to generate income. We also highlighted the creation and selling of online courses, a way to share your expertise and earn. Lastly, we discussed dropshipping, a popular e-commerce model with low startup costs. Remember, wealth creation is a journey and not a destination. Keep exploring and keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time, keep creating wealth.